Just a minute. All right, so we have Pragya with us, who got placed in Infosys. Okay, and she's an online attendee, correct? Okay,
Yes, yes, sir.
so yeah. So when did you join us? You belong to which batch?
I belong to, sir, the development batch, 20th May batch.
Okay, development batch. Okay, so tell us
Yes.
more about the interview questions, what you encountered in
Okay,
Infosys.
okay. Yes, sir. So the first, she just made me comfortable and she just asked me about my college life and all, and just wished me the daytime. And then she asked me that, tell me about yourself. Then she just asked me about the languages I know. So I said that I know Java. Then she asked me about the OOPS concept, about the project, which technologies I used, and but I just the project I just said. She was asking me about the my fourth year project, but I said that but I said the project which you have told us to. So and that made the interviewer impressed. And then she asked about the core Java concepts, OOPS concept, polymorphism, encapsulation, in string she asked me, and overloading, overriding. And then she asked me, like, my interview went for like 45 minutes something. And then she asked me about the, like, are you flexible enough to go to any location? And then she just gave me a pattern called like, she just said that complete the series 8, 6, 9, 23, and 87. What will be the number forward? So she just asked me the series to complete. And then just she asked me about the basic questions, not just, she didn't go that deep. And she asked me about that, how the one form is just navigating to another web page, one page is just how it is navigating. Then I said that using the form tag, the action attribute will decide. So she asked me just about that only, the basic questions. She didn't go that deep.
So was she impressed with your resume?
Of course she was impressed, and she said that you are a, like, you are a fresher, and how you are just so knowledgeable, and in every concept is cleared. Like, I just gave every answer to her.
Okay, so from resumes, was any questions being asked, Pragya?
No, sir, she was just asking me, like, what you know, and then she just asked the questions.
All right. Okay. So let's quickly begin with what advices you want to give it to your juniors, how they should prepare, how many hours you were studying per day, and practicing. Okay, how you were doing it.
Actually, it's been 2 months since I've joined Infosys, and my training is just going on. And they just started with Java, then Spring Boot and Spring, and the things which you have taught. And it was very easy to clear the training exams for me, and I'm very thankful to that. So because of you, my exams are cleared. Like, in training, there are FA1, FA2, FA3, and FA4. Four exams are there, and currently I'm in my FA4. So your teachings just really helped me to clear the training exams. And
All
I
right.
would
So
like to say to my
yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. I don't want to interrupt you. Yeah.
I would like to say to my juniors that just these 3 months, you just focus on your studies, and the success will definitely come to you. And
Right.
the most unique thing about PSA is that, like in other institutes, if you are placed in, like, if you have selected for one company, then you cannot sit for another company. And in here, PSA, you can sit for multiple companies. And that is the unique thing I just noticed here.
Right. So, Pragya, I have a quick query, for you. What is your background? We just missed on your
Uh,
qualification.
yeah, I am from CSE.
Okay. And BTech, is it? And from which place you
Yeah,
are?
BTech. Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. So, Pragya, we are going to host a very big event, Jan. I've been telling this to all my alumni. the last week of Jan. More than 500 place students of Pankaj Sir Academy are going to be under one roof. And as a
Yes, sir.
small token of appreciation, we are planning to call, hopefully, Chetan Bhagat or some other known educationist. And the receiving of certification would happen through them. A small award,
Okay, sir.
okay, for the achievement that people got through after the training and they've got placed. Right. So I hope you would be traveling.
Oh, yes, sir, of course, sir. If possible, then I would definitely be traveling.
Right. So we'll keep it on weekends, Saturdays and Sunday, so that people
Okay.
can travel and come. Okay. So what's the package
Yes.
offered?
Sir, as a just a fresher, so 3.36 LPA.
3.6
And the
LPA.
training, because of the training Infosys, I just got there. The training is like very good in
Right.
Infosys.
So you're very happy.
Oh, yes, sir.
Right. So you got your first salary, right? It's
Oh,
been almost
yes,
more
sir.
than
Yes,
two
sir.
months.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So after getting your first salary, your first earning of your life, that is.
Yes, sir. It was my. No, it's I just taught tuitions to students before that. So
So that's
in
the reason you're
yeah.
more confident. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You don't feel that nervous.
No, no, sir. So it's
Right.
just it just helped me to just
Right.
have this.
Amazing. Huh? So Pragya, give it up. God bless you. So keep learning, keep progressing. Bye bye. Take care. Okay. Let's invite the
Thank you, sir.
next
Have a
candidate.
nice day.
Oh, please go ahead. You're telling me something. Done. Okay, next candidate. Let us invite. Okay, for the day. Who wants to go next? I'll ask the audience only. Who wants to go next? Who wants to go next? Hmm? Me. Yog Reddy. So let's go. Yog Reddy. Let me ask him to unmute himself. And
Hello, sir.
Yog Reddy,
Good morning, sir.
very good morning. So let's start with your introduction. Yog Reddy, what's your
Yes, sir.
qualification? Which place you are from? Did you attend my classes online, offline? Let's begin with that.
Yes. My name is P. Yoga Narasimha. My background is BTech in mechanical engineering. I was an online attendee. So, this is about me, sir. Should I tell about my placed companies?
Okay. Uh, okay. Yog Reddy, if comfortable, you're in a proper attire and proper background. You can switch on the camera.
Yes.
Yeah, easier. Okay, so some people were demanding, we want to see you. Okay, so you're a
Yes.
mechanical guy.
Yes, sir.
A lot of students have been asking me, do you have any mechanical guy? We have here mechanical guy. So let's ask him questions. When you started learning Java, were you really scared?
Actually, no, sir. Like your teaching was very comfortable. Like I was feeling Java as quite easy. Before I was
Okay,
feeling Java quite tough, but after like listening to your classes, I was comfortable with that.
right. You started enjoying Java classes because,
Yeah.
whenever I start my first class, I get 99% of the audience messages when I ask them, do you like programming? And we've not started the class yet, just the introduction, they tell, I hate programming. And that's how
Yeah.
a journey of learning starts here,
Yes.
right? Then we start convincing them that it's not like this, it's easy, anybody can learn programming. Anyways,
Yeah.
let's start with interview questions. What all
Yes, sir.
interview questions you encountered? Which company you're
Uh,
working for right now? And have you
uh,
already joined?
yes, sir.
Highest, lowest packages. Let's start with that first.
Okay, sir. Yes. At present, like I got 8 offer letters, sir. And yesterday I had another the HR round of another company. So I think it is totally 9 right now. So like I already got into a company
Oh,
that
did I
is
hear
what you
that
say.
right? You said 9 offer letters.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 9 offer letters.
And still I'm getting calls and I'm rejecting.
Right. So mechanical guy getting 9 offer letters. It should be confidence giving to other students. Non-technical guys. So let's start.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 9 interviews you cleared. Which batch you
Yes,
belong
sir.
to?
Uh, July 27th, sir.
July
Someone is
27
asking my
batch.
password here. It is 2021.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Highest and lowest package.
Okay. The highest package is 5.4, sir. The lowest package is 3 LPA.
So how nervous you were during your first interview? Let's
First
understand
interview,
that.
like, yeah, I was quite nervous because I was not confident, like, am I up to their standards? But the first interview was superb. Like, they were really impressed, and first round itself, they were like, okay, like, we are impressed by you. Like, we will offer you 3 LPA, and you can start working with us. Like the from 5 days right now, I guess. They told to join within 5 days, and they will be offering 3 LPA something.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how many? Okay, you said your first interview nervous, but did you clear your first interview?
Yes, sir. It was Om Infotech, I guess, company name. Om
Okay,
Infotech,
so
and yeah,
you cleared your first, and how many interviews did you get rejected?
rejected. I think 6, I guess.
Six. So
6.
all put together, 15 interviews you attended.
Yeah, no, not 15, sir. 18 companies, they offered me interviews, and 13 I attended, sir. And 5 I didn't attend because I got I think 5 I got rejected. 13 companies I attended, sir. In that I got 9 companies out of that, and some interviews I was not able to attend because of the time. Two interviews were at the same right time. Like, one interview was at 3 p.m. and another was at 3:30 p.m. So I could not attend some interviews.
Okay. And which
Yeah.
all companies you got placed in? Can we know the names of the companies?
Yeah, sir. Just Vertisa, Home Infotech, L&T Technology, and Terralogic, Sasken Technology, First Connect, DigiSpice, Capgemini, Verizon.
Right. Amazing. Which company did you decide to join?
I went with Vertisa because my hometown, there is a office in hometown, Vertisa. So I thought of going with that, and the package was also like good, and even the projects were good in that company.
So already joined or about to join?
No, sir, I already joined, onboarded on 17th of November. So
7. Okay.
yeah,
So
I
tell
got
us
already
more
got.
about it after joining the company.
Yeah,
Uh,
sir.
is it
On
a company I can
onboarding,
recommend to other juniors?
yeah, yes, I think we can recommend because there are quite good projects in the company, sir. 17th, I had an onboarding team. They conducted meeting. They told what are the next steps we have to follow, and within 3 days, I got the company's credentials, everything. They had separate portal for them, to access all the materials from the company, and we have a mandatory training for all the freshers who are joining the company, whether they are experienced or freshers. It is everyone should mandatorily complete those what else things, sir. Like the study materials, they have to complete it mandatorily. So for me, I got AWS microservices to complete, and there was some internal induction to complete too, company related, like security issues, all those things I had to study and complete, write exams. So before completing that only, I got I think 3 client interviews with the company, and 2 client interviews I already cleared, and right now they are fighting for me. They're telling me to join their project, and other team is telling me to join their project, and there is a
Oh,
clash happening between them.
right. Oh my God. So you're very
Yeah,
much in demand now. Okay. And you're
yeah,
confused which project to join. So how's the
yeah,
training? Is the training
yeah.
really good? As per my
uh, like
understanding.
uh, AWS is very good, sir, because they are the partners of Amazon Web Services. So the
Okay.
training given is from the Amazon itself, Amazon team itself. So Amazon Web Services, the training is very good compared to the project training. The present project which I am dealing is they are not following agile methodology. They are going with the SDLC normal project.
Okay.
So it is a 3 months project. So I have getting only KT sessions, but other project is a very big project, and it is related to Britain. So they told they will be training me on Dockerization, Kubernetes, as well as Swagger. So if these people they let me to go to other project, I think they will be giving a very good opportunity.
Right.
Yeah,
So you got your training on Dockers, Dockerization,
yeah,
Kubernetes,
yeah,
creating Docker images,
yeah.
and then
In the other
moving that
project,
to Amazon AWS server.
yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Other project, my roles were like developing CRUD operations and like implementing AOP, like Spring AOP, and like testing using JUnit and Mockito, and writing like some command line interfaces, and something like they told me that they will be introducing me into like pipeline concepts, but I'm not sure like I'll be
Okay.
like they will be training me on that.
Yes, continuous integration and pipeline concepts actually.
Yeah.
Okay, CID, continuous. Okay. So, the training wise, can I recommend other juniors studying here? Because I have a lot of people getting placed in the same company. So
Okay.
it will totally rely on your feedback. Can we
Like
recommend them that they can join this company?
it is completely based on the knowledge, like if they're confident with whatever you taught in the in your sessions, I think they can cope up with the projects which they're dealing in the Vertisa. I think even seniors are very cooperative, like till date I didn't get any like problems from the seniors too. The managers they were like so good with me. I don't know because of that project thing or not, but they were good. They were like if you get any doubt you can reach out me to me. And they also like within 2 days they are sending me the laptop to start my work, the project. So I think yeah sir, I think other students can join this company, but if they're
Right.
confident like they can cope up with this, I think they can do
So
it.
do they check communication skills as well?
I don't feel so, sir, because my communication is in local language only inside the project.
No, you're speaking well actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why am I asking is because we keep getting calls, after students are placed. They ask us which company to join, sir. I have these many companies list.
Yeah.
So when we get this confident review from a candidate, that's the best review, right?
Yeah.
Where
So
they
I
tell that
don't
it's a
think
good company.
communication is a project. I think it
Right.
is not a problem,
Okay.
because most of the like if they're choosing Bangalore, then I think most of the people will be in communicating in local language itself. I choose
Right.
Hyderabad. I know Telugu, so like more team members, some of them are in Telugu itself, so they're comfortable talking in Telugu itself.
Okay. Right. So,
Yeah.
right. So in case, some juniors, if they have any doubts, probably I'll pass on your number. You can
Yeah, sir,
give
sure.
them the personal review about the company. And one
Yes,
more
sir.
thing, Jan, last week, you're
Yeah.
invited to the mega event
Yes,
where,
sir.
we are planning to invite one of the known celebrity, just a token
Okay,
of
sir.
appreciation. So I want to see my recently 500 plus students who got placed in the last 3 months under one roof, right?
Okay.
So do not miss the event. We'll keep it on weekends so that it doesn't disturb your work. So people can come
Okay.
here and then, propose that they can attend the meeting, which will be organized. And then Sunday itself by afternoon, we will wrap up. So we're planning to keep by 11 o'clock and we'll wind that up by somewhere around 1.
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir. I will
Okay.
attend.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. For
Yes.
joining us
Thank you, sir.
and best of
Without
luck.
like a PSC team, I don't think I will be in this position right now. So I thank uh, Pankaj sir, Roshan sir, and all the staff who helped me with the like onboarding, like all the documents, everything. I thank everyone, each and everyone, sir.
Right. Most welcome. Yoga ready. Right. Yeah. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Bye.
Yeah. Most welcome. Let's invite the next candidate, Sneha. Sneha. Okay. Sneha. The one. Yep. Okay. Very good morning, Sneha. I
Good
believe you have
morning,
some
sir.
interview actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will not take much time of yours. I'll try to wrap up quickly. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Sneha, tell us, from which place you are, your qualification, year of pass out, basic introduction, and then
Yes.
we'll take all the interview questions from
Sir,
you.
am I audible to you?
Yeah, yeah, very much.
Okay. Sir, I'm from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. I completed my BTech in CS from SART Bhopal, and I have joined PSA on July 6th. And after like 3.5 months, I got placed in 7 companies. And recently, I've joined from 1st of November. I've joined Zorient, where I have 5.5 LPA package, and the 2 months of training would be given, and then the project allocation would be there.
Right. So I have been getting calls from a lot of people placed in Zorient. I heard that it's really a good company.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You said like go for the training first, then go for the package and all the things. So I decided for the Zorient because of training.
Right. So what is the package? Highest and lowest package you've got.
So lowest package is 3.5. I got
Okay.
first placed on Technodiasis from
Okay.
Bangalore itself, and then the Capgemini, Infosys, TCS, and then Zorient. And after joining Zorient, I got placed in HCL and Lumen as well with
Okay.
6.5 package. Highest package is 6.5, but that was a Noida location in HCL, so I didn't prefer that. So I go for the Zorient with 5.5 LPA.
5.5. Okay. So totally how many companies you got placed in?
7.
7 companies. Wow,
Yes.
that's great. And you're an online attendee.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell us more about your interview
So
experience.
I would like to narrate one story. Like I not a story. That's my that's mine story. Like I
Right.
got graduated in June 2021, and then my all friends were placed like in a good companies as a fresher in TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, everywhere. And I got BPO services, and I was a CS student. So I was very like ashamed of me. I was very like disappointed that I got placed in a VPO services after 3 to 4 years. They will be at a good position. What will be I'll be doing? So like after that, my parents supported me, and just randomly I got to know about your academy, and I searched it. I attended demo, and then I like the way of your teaching, and then I decided to go. And before that, just like you said that before starting the class, I used to ask students how much you like Java, or so I was also the one who hate Java. But after like attending your classes, I started practicing from the day one itself, and then the confidence which I gain from your academy is very very fruitful, and I'm very thankful to you. Like today I'm placed with a good company with good package, like more than high package than my friends itself. So I'm very
Wow.
thankful to you.
Right. Very, very nice to hear that. And randomly you got to know about her. So what you were searching actually?
No, no,
I
no,
just
I
want to know.
was actually, the thing is like I've completed my college from the Bhopal itself. So I was searching for a local coaching centers for the Bhopal itself. But then I wanted to learn Java, and suddenly I saw your photo with the Madhuri Dixit. I said, "Who is this person who is having like?"
Okay. So Madhuri Dixit helped you. And you. We're very thankful to Madhuri Dixit actually.
No. Then I see the best trainer award and everything. Like I searched about it, and then I talked to ma'am itself, and she told me about everything. And the batch is going to start, so I said, "Let's attend the demo. Let's see what are." Then after attending the demo, like I feel like yes, I should be joining this. And I talked to my parents that I wanted to join. Like after 3 to 4 months, I would get placed, but only this year I would getting placed for sure. So my parents also supported, and like they are also thankful to you.
Very happy to listen to that. So that was actually just to tell you my memories. 2019, I had received this award from Z Business,
Okay.
and Madhuri Dixit was the chief guest there. Okay, and trust me, she's very pretty. Right, when you meet her, you feel that like, oh my God, she's really a stardom. Right,
Yes, yes,
she's
yes.
really a stardom. Okay, right. That was again like an amazing feel to meet some celebrity. But anyways,
Yes,
let's come to the
sure.
point now. Let's start with the interview questions.
Yes,
So
yes.
tell us about the interview questions,
Uh,
Sneha. What all things
so
you have?
so mostly, firstly, they focused on core Java, like OOPS concept. Then coming to threads, like OOPS concept with their practical examples. And then coming to threads, like they confuse about the run and start method most. And then the thread life cycle, all the things like we should be explaining wait, sleep, notify, everything. Then come to the spring. Then mostly they go for spring IOC container, dependency injection. What is dependency injection? How you implement that? Then come to the design pattern like singleton, prototype. Then difference between throw and throws keyword, final, finally, finalize. And coming to the strings they ask reverse a string, find a character, like all the practical questions which you told. Then while string is immutable, like they will give you a scenario, like one string s1 they'll give some apple, string s2 another number, string s1 another. Like we said that string is immutable, but why it's like taking another string. So we would be like giving that answer properly. Then Java 8 new features, and then annotations, controller, rest controller, then stream API, like methods of stream API, sort, filter, and like project explanation. Whatever the thing we would say in our project, that would be explained very clearly, so that they can be asking questions on project, like what's your roles and responsibilities there. And then static method, instance initializer method, and difference between equals and equals, and JDK, JRE, and JVM difference, and SQL questions like joins, and third maximum salary, second maximum salary. These were the questions. These were the questions asked in most of the companies.
Right. So I hope all the PDF files, all alumni they have prepared it, including Sneha,
Yes,
which we are
I
going
will.
to share it with
Yes, sir.
other students.
Yes, sir. I'll share that.
Yeah. So, Sneha, I have been telling this to every alumni. I hope even you heard that Jan 2022,
Yes.
the last week, probably it might be Saturday or Sunday, we are planning to host this event for our place students, wherein we'll be inviting you as a small token of appreciation. So I
Yes.
hope so you will be traveling all the way from your place to Bangalore.
Sure, sir. I'll try. I'll definitely
Right.
try to come there.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank
Okay,
you
sir.
so much for joining us,
Thank you, sir.
and we wish you all the best. Right.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Bye. Okay. Let's invite the next person. Who wants to be the next person? Okay. Who wants to be the next person? You can drop a message in the chat box. Who wants to be next? Because this is one. Okay. Gautam Kumar. Okay. Let's invite him. Very good morning, Gautam.
Good morning, sir.
Very
Am I
good
audible,
morning.
sir?
Yeah, Gautam. Gautam, your voice
I am
was not
audible,
audible.
sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
audible.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Gautam. So, which place you are from?
Sir, I am from Jharkhand, sir.
Oh, you're from Jharkhand. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's your qualification?
Sir, I am from electrical background, electrical engineering, 2017 pass out with
Okay.
66% of marks. After that, sir, I went for a government exam preparation, but I
Okay.
didn't get that. So after that, I came to know about Pankaj Sir Academy from YouTube source, and after that I joined 6th July batch by calculating
Okay.
all the risks about the pandemics and all the expenses, and I finally joined 6th July batch, and after 3.5 months I got placed in 4 companies. First company
Right.
is IBM, Cognizant, Vortusa, and FIS Global. And
Oh,
sir, my highest package is 6 LPA and my lowest package is 5 LPA, sir.
wow. Congratulations, Gautam. Your package is more than your percentage.
Yeah, sir.
Right. You scored 56 percentage. This should be
No, sir.
confident
66,
giving.
sir. 66,
Huh?
sir.
Oh, 66.
66%.
Oh, sorry. I heard it
Yeah.
wrong. 66%. So, Gautam, you're an online attendee. You said that.
Yeah.
How comfortable it was to attend classes online? Many people hate online classes actually.
Sir, because of this corona, sir, it is very best option for me to attend this online class, because there is a very much problem in during the this COVID in traveling also. And actually I am staying in Ranchi in my PG, but I told my father that I want to left my PG and I want to go for training for 3 months. I don't told my father that what training I went for, but I told my father that I want to came to home and I want to do this course, and please give me that 3 month PG money for this course, and I will definitely tell you about what is the course and what I am doing after 3 months.
Okay, so after 3 months, when you told him you got placed, what is the
Yeah.
reaction of your father?
So he's very happy, and he told that, yeah, in 2 or 3 years you are getting more than salary than me.
Oh my
Actually,
God.
yeah.
So what can be more proud, moment than this? When they see their sons actually progressing, the parents are definitely very happy.
Yeah.
Right. So, Gautam, what all interview questions did you encounter? Can you please share that with us?
Yes, sir. Yeah, definitely, sir. Firstly, sir, every interviewer is starting with OOPS concept, Java 8 new feature, streams in Java, and some methods. They ask some method about in streams. What are the methods and the difference between default and protected access specifiers, difference between static and local variable, difference between compiler and JVM, and what is the singleton design pattern, and explain exception hierarchies, difference between compile time and runtime exception, string buffer and string builder. Without using OOPS concept, can we develop a project? That is some logical questions. And what is multi-threading? Explain thread lifecycle, way to create thread, what is typecasting, upcasting, and what is wrapper class and its examples, what is boxing, difference between array list and linked list, difference between array list and vector, and collections and collection, difference between and comparator, comparable. These also, and also in mapping in internal, what is the internal working of hash map, difference between primitives and object data type, what if two null store in hash map, then what will happen, and what is marker interface and use of marker interface, explain also, examples also, and why Java is not 100% object oriented, explain servlet lifecycle, JDBC code, that means JDBC code to connect with database, difference between do get and do post method. And in Sir Spring Boot, they asked about dependency injections, types of AutoWire, Spring Boot project flow, Spring IOC container, and in SQL part, and they also asked about HTTP methods. What all HTTP methods do you know? And in SQL part, they ask about joins, each joins, explain each joins, and what are the aggregators in SQL, difference between primary and foreign key, difference between DDL and
Right.
DML.
So that was a very
Yeah,
detailed
yeah,
explanation, Gautam, of the
yeah,
questions what you shared.
yeah,
Uh, this is one plus point. Alumni sharing questions. Now that's been a very strong backbone, okay, for the juniors studying here, because I've been listening from many alumni. When they give questions, they know what to study, what they are going to ask in interview, and you're actually getting the real syllabus. That yes, this is what I need to study if I have to clear my interview.
yeah.
So have you already joined the company, Gautam?
Yes, sir. It's in 23 November. I have joined IBM, sir.
Superb company I've selected, Gautam.
Yes,
That's
sir.
been one of the favorite company from most of my students. It's a very
Yes, sir. That's
friendly
why I have
environment.
chosen that. Yeah.
Yeah, so I believe people, they say it's very friendly environment in IBM.
Yes, very supportive. But right now it is from work from home, so I didn't meet anyone. But in chat process, all are supportive, sir.
Okay, tell me more about after joining. Is there a training given? Because as I know about IBM, uh, earlier students, they don't give training, but slowly with the KT they start learning things.
Sir, right now only the documentation part is going on, but
Okay,
I talked to the people's manager which are assigned to me.
okay,
So they told that first project allocation will happen, and after
okay.
that, according to project, if
Huh.
some technology which you don't know, then according to that you will be getting training, sir.
Right, that's the process they follow usually there, as
Yeah,
I know. But then it's very comfortable to join IBM. Right, thank
yeah,
you so much, Gautam, for joining us and
yeah. Thank you, sir.
giving all the valuable uh, information. basically,
Yeah. Yeah.
about your interviews and your journey at PSA. A quick
Yeah.
announcement I want to make it for all the attendees here. Do not message us. Hold on, pause messaging in the chat box because I'm going to drop some message here. This was the request from my one of the student in the previous alumni who called us and said that you please do this. So I'm dropping here one message. Nobody is going to type anything. Just stop for time being. No messages from the student side. Let this message be active. People can join these WhatsApp group if you want any information about the new batch when we are starting. A lot of people they drop the queries here, which I don't take it at times. I'm a final year student. Somebody message, I'm from 2018 batch. Can I learn? So that is where some alumni said that why don't you drop a message like this, and that might help people to clarify the doubts with the staff. So when you join this group, uh, you can get the staff's number and they will guide you. Okay, they'll counsel you that 18, 19, 20, 21. Absolutely, there is no problem. So don't worry about that, right? Just stay confident and no messages for some time. Please wait while people they get this message and the message is active. Okay, where people can click and join if they wish to get more details about you know the qualification year of pass out percentage, and let's see how we can help them out. By the way, with the placements. Okay, so this is the link. Fine. So now guys, let's continue. Thank you so much, Gautam, for joining.
Thank
And
you, sir.
yeah, there's all queries which you're talking about. You join this group, and that should help you. Fine. How many questions did you skip, Gautam?
Actually, sir, when didn't have idea, sometimes I don't have some idea about the question. Then I say that sorry, sir, I presently I don't know, but I will definitely go with this topic, sir. And
Okay.
generally, sir, in whichever company I have got selected, I think 2-3 a question I generally I got skipped because of out of I thought that this is not uh, in my range, so I skipped that, sir, by saying sorry, sir.
Oh, right. And they're totally okay with that, right?
Yeah, sir. 2-3
Okay.
question is simply okay, sir, because any person didn't know all about the things and the
Yeah, that's
practical things, sir.
obvious. Yeah, 80% you perform well and you're through. Actually, by the way, that's what
Yeah,
happens.
yeah, yeah,
Right. Nice, Gautam. Thank you so much for joining us, and it was really a nice discussion. Okay,
yeah,
and congratulations for being a software engineer, joining an MNC company like IBM. That's amazing.
yeah,
Okay, so
yeah,
life is too good in IBM. Okay,
yeah, sir.
have
Thank you, sir,
excellent
for
feedback.
all. Yeah, sir. Thank you for sir for this platform to learn and get jobs, sir.
All right, most welcome,
Yeah,
and hope I see you in physical, in person, live for the upcoming
yeah,
event.
yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Right. Yeah. Thank you so much, Gautam. Yeah. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, bye, sir.
Now, who wants to be the next? Who wants to be the next? Okay, you're going to tell who wants to be the next. Avdesh Vama. Okay, let's invite. Oh, Deloitte is amazing company, right? You can join. Okay, I have a lot of people working there, and feedback is too good. Okay, let's start with Avdesh. Yeah, you're here,
Yeah,
Avdesh.
yeah. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Very good morning, Avdesh.
Yes, sir.
So let's
Mm.
start.
Sir, I am firstly I would giving thank to you and all of your team members to help me out for grab this opportunity, sir. I am basically from Vint, Madhya Pradesh. I completed my graduation in 2019. Then after I searching for jobs and preparing for government jobs and also doing teaching for some time. But in Corona situation, I felt that I have to doing something other thing to pursue something opportunity like placements in IT sector. So I sir, searching out for in YouTube, like how we prepare for that. So I get your coaching, like so in that time, sir, I am from May 20th batch. So I not attend offline classes in that Corona situation. So I get online classes for that, sir.
Okay, so you took all your classes online, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
So which company have you got placed in? Which all
Uh,
companies offers do you have?
Sir, I have five offer letters.
Okay,
First is from Sir DXC Technology and Sir Oris Tech and Sir Techman Technology, EPTL, and also in Cognizant, but their document verification process
okay.
is undergoing.
So tell me, you said basically one of the company, second company. Which was the second company?
Sir, that is Oris Tech, sir, and
Okay,
Sir DXC Technology.
yeah, DXC
Yes,
Technology. So I
yes, sir.
hope you joined DXC Technology.
Yes, sir. I recently joined that, sir, on 23rd of this month.
Even I would opt the same company actually. The
Yeah,
feedback is good about that company. So you've
yeah.
already joined. Tell me more about the company's environment.
Sir, firstly, they take virtual onboarding, sir. In that, sir, they tell us some policies, some benefits, and sir, how we log in on their portal, some credentials, and all of the information about their sir company, sir. And sir, it after 3 4 days, I got sir credentials, and sir, suppose sir on Monday I will on training in that company, and
Okay, so
they will give
training
me
is
sir 1 month training, sir.
so yes, that is the point I
Yes,
wanted actually.
yes,
Training. We will connect with you soon offline as well. We're collecting all these information for the juniors because when
yes,
students they get placed, the super seniors help them out with the feedback of the companies, and
yes,
only then we recommend those companies to the students so that they enjoy working there
yes.
and they don't find any burden of working even though when they join as a developer. So what is your highest and lowest package?
Sir, I got highest, that is not an MNC, that is from Indore CDNL, but in DXC I got sir 4.5 LPA.
Okay, and what is the highest you got?
Sir, that is 5.5, sir.
Okay, 5.5 is what you've got, right?
Yes.
Amazing. So what all questions you encountered in your
Uh,
interviews?
Sir, most of the interviews are generally asking and starting
Go
with
for
sir core.
DXC. 1 minute, just hold on. We have a
Yeah.
student here. To everyone, you go for DXC. That's a pretty good company, right? So which
Yeah.
batch you're from?
Sir, that
Tell
is
me.
20th May batch.
No, no, not you, not you. The one who is messaging me. Yeah. From which batch you are, you can meanwhile message. Yeah, please continue. Okay, yeah. Yeah, tell me
Yes,
about the
sir. So
questions.
firstly, sir, they go for sir core Java, and in that, sir, they asking like what is collection framework, and sir list in that, sir, and array list, linked list, and sir also difference between in that, sir, also difference between hash map and hash table, and sir also sir about sir concurrent hash map, sir, and sir then they go for sir thread, what is multi-threading, and how many ways we can create thread, and sir in that bait notified
There's some audio problem at your end. You're on mute. Please unmute yourself, Avdesh.
they asking
Yeah.
difference between string buffer, string builder, sir, and in SQL they asking joins, foreign key, primary key, and sir normalization, transaction, and sir asset properties they asking, sir, and after that they ask sir JSP and servlet, sir, servlet, different types of servlets, sir, request dispatcher servlet, and JSP technology, and sir page inclusive, sir, and that type of questions in every company, sir asks, sir.
Okay. Right.
Spring Boot, sir, annotations, and sir also in API, sir, REST API, and sir these
Right.
types of questions, sir.
So, Avdesh, we want a quick input from your side for the juniors.
Yes,
In terms of preparation, your suggestions, because place student suggestions, it plays major role.
yes,
In terms of guiding them for their
yes,
preparation.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, firstly, sir, most of the company asking around, sir, 50 to 16% from, sir, core Java and SQL parts, sir. So,
Okay.
sir, juniors have to prepare for that, sir, portion very much, sir, and
Uh-huh.
also practice, sir, whatever you teaches and you give, sir, programs, sir, they must prepare for that, sir. So
Okay.
that, sir, in interview, if sir, interviewer ask any program, so they can illustrate that and also create that program, sir.
Okay. Right.
Yes, sir. And also,
So,
sir, working
was
on,
your
sir,
interview calls good being online?
yes, sir, that was,
How many
sir,
calls in a day you were getting?
sir, in a day I got, sir, 3 to 4 calls, sir.
4 calls. Right.
And,
So,
sir, also, sir, till I am getting calls, but I remove my ID from Naukri.com.
right. Okay. That's amazing. Okay. We wish you all the best, Avdesh. Thank you so much for joining us, giving
Yes,
a
sir.
valuable time, and hope so I see you in person in Jan.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So we wish to see you in Bangalore in person. Right. So best of luck.
Ye-
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Thank
Take
you,
care.
sir, once again, sir, for help out to grab this opportunity, sir.
Right. So take care. Bye bye.
Yes.
Let's now look at who wants to be the next. You only tell me who wants to be the next person, or if not, we'll invite them in the next alumni meet. Whoever did not join today, who wants to be next? We have a lot of people from civil backgrounds. Just join the group, and that's what I said. People who have any queries with related to that, you join this group. Okay, we will take it not during alumni meet, after alumni meet. Okay, who wants to be next? Okay, we'll give you the numbers of testers. Don't worry. We'll be inviting them as well. Okay, so people, Yoga, Narsima, are you there? You were there in my today's list. Uh, Pallavi Nanda, you there? Okay, so anyways, we'll invite because sometimes in between interviews keeps on happening, and that is a problem. Yash Technology, Ranjit, CTS Tech have good feedback about it. From which batch you are? Yash. 100%. Our format is very strong. 3 months is more than 6 July batch. Go for CTS Tech, Ranjit. Go for it. Okay. I'll connect you with some place students in CTS Tech. You can talk to them. Feedback is good. Okay. You can go for that company. Can finally student join for a good placements? Join the group. That's what I'm telling. Let's not take these queries here. The staffs will connect with you. They'll invite you for the demo. Join us. Okay. Uh, Resume preparation is good, but we explain it. Right. Okay, that's it, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Now, any queries? Join the group. That's it in my today's session. And next alumni will happen next Saturday, 11 a.m. Okay, so that's it, guys. Bye bye. Take care, and we'll catch up. Today you do have class. I have one more batch, August 17th batch. We have a special class today, right? 12:45. Huh? 4 p.m. class is also there. 3 p.m. class is also there. Today I'm taking all the classes. Right? 3 p.m. is also there. All classes I'm taking today. Fine? Okay. That's it, guys. Sir, I want to talk to you. When can I call? Just join the group if you're a newbie. We will try to connect sometime after my classes. Because when I'm in class, I don't even carry my phone with me. So once I'm outside, the staffs will make a note of everything and I'll connect with you. Okay, your play student, fine. Again, you please call them because they are maintaining a tracker now. So what is your query? Which company to join? Is that your query? Is that your query? You said your place, yeah. So post it here. I'll just take it here itself. Deloitte. Oh, 100%. Go for it. I have excellent feedback about Deloitte. Okay, students are very happy after joining Deloitte. You can go for it. Don't worry about it. Go for it. Okay. You can go for it. I also have students, almost completed 1 year, 1.5 year in Deloitte. Every alumni meet are being awesome and we are all motivated. Yes, that's the whole point here, that Monday to Friday classes happens and Saturday when alumni meet happens, right? People, they get motivated. People, they see someone getting placed, your motivation is high. I don't have any separate batches for final year students, but they can definitely join us. Okay, Spring Boot days to complete. Join us, we will tell you. Don't worry about that. Bye bye, guys. Take care. I'll end the meeting here. Okay, so let's catch up next Saturday. LTI amazing. Satish, which batch you are from? You said you're selected in LTI and Infosys. Correct. I was getting call also from you during the alumni meet. I think it's the same Satish. Go for LTI. 2 to 3 months training they'll give you. Okay, yeah, you're calling me. I was using that phone and disconnected your call. Right, Satish. So LTI is amazing. We have 100% positive feedback about LTI. Go for it. Which batch you're from, Satish? Oh, June. Right. Amazing. So we'll see you next in alumni meet. Bye bye. Jan, not at plan, but we'll tell you. Yeah. See, I've already posted this message. Join the group, and we'll tell you all upcoming things. ITI. There is a workaround, Abhay, for your placements. So we will guide you in person. Probably if you are from Bangalore, visit my office in medium layout. I'll guide you in person how to get a job being from ITI background. Possibility is there, but there is a workaround for it. MSc Physics, yes, you can learn, absolutely no problem, and you can get placed.